good, beauty gang? Today I'm going to show you how I detangle and deep condition my hair. Okay, so let's get started. So what you're seeing now is me in the process of completing my normal wash day routine that you guys know so well. And I'm currently washing my shampoo out. Now I have super low porosity hair, so when I wash I have to basically soak my hair, which is what you see me doing now. And I also like to shingle, which is basically just separating your hair where it naturally separates. So I start with sectioning my hair into 2 sections on each side, but you see that right there? Don't be tugging and pulling on your hair. You want to be very gentle and work your way down the shafts of your hair so that you don't have any breakage. And this helps tremendously with detangling because my hair is very, very thick. And unfortunately, I can't just run my fingers through my hair without some manipulation first, okay? So I continue to shingle, and I've added one of my favorite conditioners to help provide that moisture and that slip. And listen, it is so very important to use a conditioner with a lot of slip, or else you're going to have some of your ends all over the shower floor, and we do not want that. Now, this process can be lengthy, but I promise you it is so worth it. And I do this all over my head, and you can even see my curls starting to push through. Come through, curls. So notice that I'm only using my fingers to detangle my hair. There are no combs, no brushes, none of that stuff, because your hair is very fragile when you're washing it, and you don't want any breakage. Now, you may use utensils later if you choose, but you never want to start out with using those utensils in your hair. It's not a good idea. I wouldn't recommend doing it, so just don't do it. Once I pin this section up, I go on to the next one and I do the same exact thing. Now, I want you guys to notice how my hair is becoming more and more easier to manipulate just from this one step. I find thoroughly detangling your hair to be so beneficial, and although it's quite a hassle, you'll be very thankful that you did it in the long run. So now I'm just going to continue to shingle and detangle on this side of my hair, and just let you guys see once again what it is that I do. So on deep conditioning days, I like to use my SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Deep Conditioning Mask and my MultiOils conditioner. And I'm just going to work both of these into small sections of my hair. But just look at how I can just run my fingers through my hair. This is what conditioner with good slip does to your hair, ladies. Go get you some good conditioner. Go get you some. So what I do after I put that in my hair, I normally just 2-strand twist my hair straight down, and then I will just bantu knot the entire completed piece. And I'm just going to continue to do this all over my head. Normally I do 4 big bantu knots, and just do what I do best and listen to some music. So once I am done sectioning my hair, I now prepare for my most favorite part of this process, which is the hooded dryer, a staple in my routine. Now, I typically sit under here for an hour, partially rinse it all out, and then style. So that is all I have for you guys today, beauties. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it very informative. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!